Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw large amount of money from your Morgan Stanley Bank. So the easiest way how you can withdraw money from your Morgan Stanley Bank is simply by visiting your nearest ATM and withdrawing cash from there. But since there is a daily ATM limit, you can only withdraw money within those limit and cannot withdraw more than the withdrawal limit. But for whatever reason, if you need to withdraw more cash than the ATM limit allows, there are few ways how you can get around it. So the first thing you can do is simply request and increase your daily limit. Now you can do this by either calling the customer support, you can simply call them, or if you want you can also visit a bank branch and speak with a banker to increase your ATM limit. Now the second method you can do is simply make a withdrawal in person at a bank branch. To do this, simply visit your nearest bank branch and fill out a withdrawal slip in which you will have to enter your name, your details, your bank account number, and finally the amount you want to withdraw. And once you've done that, you can simply withdraw additional funds from your account up to your available balance. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.